ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯟ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟ ꯊꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯍꯧ ꯆꯣꯡꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ mi mayam hatnaba khonaba tawduna khotna tawreiba poppy plantations tega horuktana government aphaw tawse tawsi tawroisi haidna lengakna aphaw saruk tawse hawte prajame ko yabum thoi adu lenga kaise kana lenga kaise akoi gi mapa mapini makoina aphaw saruk shinba akoi award pa saruk ta makoina mating piba akoi ana yek ta khangde khudong cha da bani khangde akoi bu larik lachu tambi badani khangde lambi thongdani khangde aphaw saruk to punam ka se lenga luna luching dana puraga akoi bi yengbi dana khotna to bi ba mapa mapi gi role lo dana purpose lenga ka lenga khai bi sagi amaki natte kana uma group amne si lenga se sigi group kini kana uma group ki sigi ne hai adu ma wa leite manipur hai bi se 35 community da community ama yaudabada akoi gi ka akoi manipur hai bi se yade bas naga community tara amu kunam kun leiri moi group ta ma yaudabada manipur ko bude ko yade meti community da akoi ta ma kaktani major chang hai bi su yade hoi meti hai duna tamdali ba aya manina maximum siga state capital oi banina khudong chaba mayam ge khudong chaba mayam ge tamakta kampopi de ne khangde mau de ne khangde ukhul de ne khangde more de ne khangde jiri de ne khangde churachanpur khangde pharjor khangde punamak sig center se imphal right imphal se kana gino jar kunthra manga gi mi la kunthra manga gi ngaktani adu lai bak thibe dige ada gyan ta daba group kharana lepak se thugaina ba toba amadi popi thaba sine khoidi maru oibase masi mone yam kana ba karbar se tobu khotna golden triangle se manipur thona porokna bhona bada lenga masi tobu jate se akai bane tobu de moina pam da ser oibadigi ngasi de matang haudna kotna mi se tumna ba hana boja ba hanare khonare jekna ba se thoe amana amu chengna dre amana ma kauna dre unabada thang paine janare khonare mangmo jam mangre kana no masi kana ba phangi se akoi hana leramba miyoi myam thangi sengba miyoi singdi de hana khana chena ba amata toram de adudi kana no mapandi la tawri punama se kana no popi thaba se phai hana ji bausu kangbuma haili kana un hai masi de koi gi nupi micha singna popi sing lei si yam phajana hobadigi thabo ramgani kan achuba akoi gi lenga ta achuba thodang lodana purama miyoi ne bo haili asigum se khallu yamna nuaite aduna talking talkre haigadu yamna lei nung langnar budi kana so se wat panate mang base akoi mayam punna mangbine aji ka koi punna chabum takum kattana fore virtually state capital oibanina state capital gi in and around the valley da tawa singchidi war so wana khamba kharingamni amda kanne yingshi ngasi ati manung dalli biching gi manung dalai ba icha issue sing ai marup mapang sing mai gi family mayam leiba nan matra telephone ai gi imanaba anihum khangna yamna lungna tinarpa mohina bahut telephone de ki ai gi suwari shani ai sonam nakoi su khoi ji gyanta se hairune nakoi mida hayu nakoi se hairi bani ne makru do moi se khare adamen de oidi du bujadi jagani nakoi hayu ne akoi su ware ne ai noi te nati ne bhai koi su ware ne nang ai su koi ma de leminar puni kuina nang so senior officer ni ai su senior officer orami tawdana kotana koi leminar batu khangde da tawri ba se koi na hai ge to se koi de laude da koi hai ba ya de koi de tumin na phamba tung na phamba tai hai mokoi kali gi mau na de khangdre adu anyway nungai to se phong dok pa yamna akoi de su lei adu mokoi ta ba phangi adu mai maru pang ka marum se loina thangeram ngani kana who is the gainer now nobody is a gainer mangi purum se loina mangi bani mangi was maximum mangi angang sing la punsi mangi angang sing ma punsi se pura mang bati lailu tamam khangdana shota na le hoba makoi gi makokta mental perjury haidana makokta changri ba phatta ba saruk ase maitei ka atei community gara particularly community sing siga janarak ta ba sai se akoi yekna ba pura akoi gi shown enemy haiba adu mai wakhanda pon natte se ton ba yati akoi amatani hanasu leminarmi hajisu lemina kadabni adubu akoi masi gyan tamne bagi yamna darkar le group amada haijele haidinsu atei group mem se interfere to bom thoi asimte de ina katang ngai to bom de lei thamoi de pen da ba group ani na tonor patanja se group kuntra manga da group kuntra ni thoi rum leidi mayam se interfere to bom thoi nagai group se kangde nepali group se kangde bengali group se kangde marwadi kangde punjabi kangde malayali kangde tamil kangde sardar kangde bengali kangde leiba punamang ati na su interfere to bom thoi anati sometime mapa bo su machana work pham thok matang lai matang na jarak trabati adu akoina hangat chabadi group kuntra manga lei hari basiga group ani se oina particularly mai sa hore kanana lali lande mase dunia loine khangi mase ei detail la haijara roi mang tak pungang mangre mang tak pasa koi tasunate puno mayam gi sumangi bane communication gi matang da medical treatment gi matang da school college se angang singi education gi matang da sufficiently damage mokai life se pura manghan bani kanana mangali akoi ni mangan bane akoi se kanano hi taunari ba group singsi akoi tarapte di hajer ba akoi ni kadung se koi differentiate to de akoi tamote mi amuba mi angang ba koi jetpa sardar or bengali hindu marwadi like we are one, we were one, we are one, and we should be one masine koi philosophy hai ba koi perception akoi ni khanje ba anyway talking a talk re hojik ta ba some sort of negotiations, some sort of difference, she must bridge up toba, must say koi punchen naba, my feeler todana, must say honere, it's good, very good. Atubu. Must mane tobu sigap, a koi yan tamam toy, nakan punamo, no may pai group punamo, tam the supaidi, ching the sumayam paidi, dreaded arms paidi, bahori, sugi activists of appeal toge, no koi setumina layu. Adu idi loin tumi lekin matang matang tawdana India government su ma lakatami India government should play a pivotal role ako India government to ko kudumi tangali kana ko mi negotiation to ge haiba taradi mayam di marakta makok amadi legam toy group ani thokpata there should be a justice the justice kana with the government of India oibam toy so legal issues ta ko chatri banina 302 Indian Penal Code ta mi hat the murder case ne was uncompromised ni Indian Penal Code section siga magi educate punishment pibam thui adu there are certain places like Nagaland gumba like Meghalaya gumba engile patanjata even 30 Indian Penal Code asibo compromise to we yai asuba ni to that means talking no punishment si pigani no ni sito haiba punishment pira lotion na bajai it is a matter of understanding it's a mutual agreement masi am darkar le ado koi da du mukti natte da nako akoi de lali bise kanano natte bise ishor na matak dalo uram gani lone khang mani sigde hana boja bat hanare amon hale amusu pakumpiri amusu kaptari amusu kapi adu mang boja ba maximum de mange khole aduna masi lotion ba masi from higher echelon higher level digi masi koi khar undercover the secret channel the thadana kotna tori it's good, it's a good symptom tagudamni government se tori adu tauba haibese jana bai se kar matam dana haida from both side you have to raise your hand madhu to kut sokna ge dorimne after all what you gain it both section what you gain it except animosity except akoi hatred attitude amana matta what you gain it you cannot part way kuki shidungai Manipur thadu chatpa yaroi Meitei shidungai Manipur thadu kan chatpa yaroi so we were one we shall be one and why not let us continue like before aduna masi yamna tangdu le ajam thuna masi hone biwa pai and the government of India should intervene should play the pivotal role government of India the government of India ki role there is always a questions mark on you government of India nakoi ne tauri base kharidi khoi khangi nakoi ne ming se chap man jingbiu nakoi ne meditator nakoi ne wari shaw haibe se kanana imung mund macha manga leire mapan ai noi manga noi wari shaw non decision lawte lawge haibe su jabra natan imung gi makoktuna aigi ipaduna aigi imaduna wain pigadra or under his chair akoi mayam na nainaba khonaba torbusu solution poroktabadi he has to intervene and he has to give his verdict because as being he is the head so also the India government you are the head why you are distance from us at this juncture us se koi group punamak tagine why She told you, Punamose, according to me, India government, you are delaying. Apparently, you are delaying. Or you may not want, or you do not want. Higher Mahaiba, Wahangsima government of India, Dangjagya. If you are really sincerely, if you want to restore peace, it will take only 2 hours. Maramdi Home Minister Naman Haiki, Nakoi suspension of operations, Nakoi Punamak, Nakoi Chutumina Layu, Nakoi in Lamhelaba, Nakoi Haibi Yadraba, Nakoi Loina, Loina Mohanjelaga, Kona, no name from the Tamgani, I Lakani Haidan. To Makadun, someone lucky, I said Takia Shugre, Hanabus, Sunabus, Molone Kangi, Hanas Mamid Ushana Loin lady. Aduna takpadi kanano who is responsible to cause and to allow to continue such kind of a massacre, such kind of a killing in both fraction or both groups. Hi, with the Bharat Sarkar, either good or bad, you are the guardian. You have to shoulder the responsibility, government of India. Manam din nakoi na pamna lerega oi jet mayam nakoi na kanna ne puna makai se loin madu mapa man pamna le macha puna mutumin loin targa konang na mapa na decision pibam toy. To mapa duna mama duna has to take the sole responsibility and give and play the pivotal role. Maru iba role mama mapatron loadaga machasing the tangdul tempted the columadu the piece secreton lakne. Adult no koyano no jananabato hyper to the nang se atomina pok machani a karatar na kratamge and machas in a karluna toga haigumasum weighing se kara karihani meing sekara amadamujing amatuanujing amanamujing karankan akui sibu only MP any katang lay haidana karatawasa dabra UP gu mafam de MP marfu lay haidana noina kwaidigi attention pibra adu bharat ka samvidhan da adugum de leite ne ko bharat ka samvidhan da mi murasu ka akoi gi ngaurasu mamit nama jawdrasu ad masam sangna khasu everybody is equal as per the Indian preamble Indian constitution da aduni 80 MPs lay mafam da you concentrate more I series tangatan tori 80 MPs phangorabdi jao jahannu mein jao Manipur Nagaland go to hell Manipur go to hell Mizoram aag jalao adi Manipur se aag jalao hai to biwi bhapta legat no not nacha mayam leiba tar the Bharat Sarkar you have to take your decisions equally you have to be justice adu tahulli base kar thengre government of India manung da kari sanare du dikhangde akoi thabna samjeng bada Noi kara thap legum tawi. Noi ki secret channel overche towing the me hanna riba scenery masing she namit kuding is service. Kya are we happy government of India and Bharat Manipur lenga nungai biri bro namit kuding me mari hatpa ani hatpa tara hatpa lenga Manipur lenga su yam solida nungai te da koi akuni jam wang na thag chabani adubu ada Delhi da nong taraga Manipur da satin pare kupai bhapta adugam na luna tawraga tawre Delhi di yare ne adu akoi mi masing chita di lenga na hat pasidama ton view ton dagi ngasi akoi na wari punama se Manipur legak se you are also the squarely we blame you masim da akoi haijage secondly Bharat Sarkar na tori base masim mi yang nataba akoi jeng bugum tawi ismayam khangi jeng base tawi gana mitte phajana pakto pere jeng ga handak negotiation tori ba ama filler tha dana khotna tori ba nakan punamakta it is really good we pray to God ishwar khurmge mase thod mase janabe mur kari ge janaroi degene meti kadai chakadori Manipur natana kuki mijo kadai chakadori kayam kune Mizoram de leiri dori Mizoram ise pikrabulmni numi kudigi chingning gai be lambi ma khaktani Manipur dawning ge shana thokpa tawning da tobu jaba Manipur asum leipa kadai da phangade na prithvi de koi rishi yengum Bharat se punama Kashmir da hor Andaman Nicobar de hor Lakshadweep se ai shumit urlai ai whole India se orege including the so many countries nothing like Manipur nothing like India adubu ashon ba ko imai pa se sholi khangdana akoi government se sholi khangdana masi netharaga akoi tawning bata tawge haibado adum teri to bi jate no you cannot play and you should not play akoi let us respect reciprocally amana akoi ikai kuno utkadabani amana amata hainojan amana katan shoy graisu after all government of Manipur there is no so called the Manipuri chief minister no he is the chief minister of Manipur there is no so called DGP Kuki the DGP Kuki police ni LM Khote ne DGP oring the 50-60,000 sipai were officers mayam police mayam lermi si cookie police ko hai bi jabrane the way some section hai si Manipur si Meitei gi chief minister no that is absolutely wrong notion khangna hari bani khangi ai adu hai be jati akoi tamutre LM Khote he was not my DGP but I used to respect him as a DGP haji ta khara de handare because of his certain statement ai thamoi de khara shocky hairoi the as a top ranking police 6 years DGP oramba se this is something unprecedented ati state chi taruk ki DGP abise kaya oigande marmdi yamna loina yam naksna uramban anyway this is the personal life we want peace. You go ahead, Tobiribo, government of Manipur, take special initiative. You appoint your envoy, you appoint your ambassador, you call these people, anyone who wants to play. Go ahead. Government of India mata thajabiru no, akoi hani, akoi punna lemini dumana lemina si highway ahame round sig adom le thamjage. Please, I hand over to a professor.